upset.
I am upset. I got up here about 8 o'clock. You're going to find me a good chair. And guess what? All the pools are closed. You can't even get out
Can't
there.
go on the deck.
They're all closed up. They said because of the bad storm we had last night, it was too dangerous to open it up. And there is water in it. We came all in the ship
Came
up here by
inside.
the windjammer. They got these blowers out. They said it's too safe to let people. It's unsafe to let people out there because it's too slippery and wet.
We're sinking. No,
Hopefully they'll open it soon. They just opened Central Park, so hopefully the pools are next. I want to get out there. It's already 8:30.
it's her whole life. They're all closed. Now they've got a couple people out there now. The lifeguards out there. I mean, okay, so it's wet. But those right there, those are mats. You walk on the mats. Those aren't slippery.
Understanding.
So, alright. So, I guess we'll go get something to eat and then we'll figure it out. Because all this, they said this was all flooded this morning. Just wet, not flooded. But. Alright, so here's what we're doing. We're just running up and down the coast. That is Miami. You can hear it rumbling in the background. Miami, and I'm not sure what he's doing. I wouldn't be going out in all that weather. Look at that, how black it is down there. So hopefully it'll stay clear so Terry can go enjoy their pool. So here we are sitting off the coast of West Palm Beach. It's on the opposite side of the ship. It's on the starboard side. And we are not even moving. We are totally sitting still. Just sitting in the water, killing time. Where are we going?
We're not going. We're already here at dinner. We walked around the ship a little bit before dinner time. It's our last time, so we're going to try to really enjoy it.
Yeah. We had a nice day so far, but anyway, I'll bring you that menu right about now. Started off with the shrimp cocktail. I started off with the Caesar salad. Terry got the Tom turkey with sweet potatoes. And I got pecan crusted salmon.
ice skating show, and I'm excited to see it. I haven't seen it in a long time, so I'm gonna see how much it's changed from the oasis of the sea.
Studio B.
Studio B, here we are. Studio. See, there's some good seats right down there, but they're hard to get to, and they're probably safe. People want to come in. There's only
where joy is abundant and love fills the air. Life is well lived.
evening. Yeah, leave in the morning.
It's our last night on the Utopia for now, and it was really a beautiful ship. It's huge.
I'm not sure what's redder, my face or my shirt.
Or my lipstick.
And I ain't been out in the sun. Huh?
Or my lipstick.
Or your lipstick. Everything's red.
I love red.
Alright, so anyway, you had a relaxing day at the pool.
I did. I read my book, watched all the shows.
I played this.
Casino, gave them all
I don't
the
want to call it what it is. I was way ahead. Oh well,
Huh?
what it was.
Yeah,
Yep, gave something back. And we just went down to the non-smoking casino, which is cool. They made it a lot bigger here on the Utopia. So they got rid of one of the clubs, the comedy club, and they had the one across the hall, and now it's all big.
We just got out of the ice skating show and it was very good. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yep.
So a couple of them did fall.
Yeah. Well, no, one almost fell, one did fall. Anyway.
Two fell, and one fell on a chair, and one guy fell. So there was a couple that fell, but I did enjoy the show.
Yep. All right. So anyway, so about that time.
We gotta go back and finish packing and go night night.
Gotta go to bed. Gotta get up at 6
After
a.m.
we have
Chocolatto and martino.
this is so good.
So good. All right, anyway, so next up, the Enchantment of the Seas out of Tampa. That's next month.
That's after the 4th of July.
In less than 2 weeks.
So we'll be home for 2 weeks.
Yep, so thank goodness. All right.
The July's coming.
So anyway, Utopia, I suggest you try it out.
Oh, we love it.
It's awesome, Chip.
It's beautiful.
right.
Everything here is so pretty, so big. It's really pretty.
All right.
All right?
We'll see you really bright and early in the morning.
Right now.
All right. Bye-bye.
I did. I said good night.
All right.